why did I want to come and see you in the first place? And it was about my confidence. It was one of the biggest things. Is I wanted to make sure that two things, that I could give a logical message and that I could do it with confidence and stop being so anxious about what people were thinking. The best thing was that Charmaine really showed me how to think differently about the audience. I was thinking too much about me. I was overthinking everything. And what I had to learn to do was to talk to someone and to speak to each of the audience as if they were individual people and that I had something valuable for them. So I think I really understood the need to prepare myself, both physically, before I spoke, and also mentally, in that I had a clear process of ideas and a thought process to come out. So I had a presentation to deliver almost immediately after my private tuition sessions with Charmaine, and I had spent a lot of time with it. She gave me a lot of feedback on the presentation and what I should be saying and how I should deliver it. And I think the biggest thing was pre the delivery, I was definitely a little bit nervous and felt the anxiety. But the minute I stepped up there, I owned the stage. I was able to step away from the podium, walk around the room, make eye contact, smile, delivered my entire presentation, which was about 45 minutes. So it was longer than I was used to doing. And then I sat back down, and immediately after at the first break, my boss came up to me and said, "Fantastic job, Kath, well done, you owned it." And that was the biggest, to me, that was the outcome. It worked, and I couldn't have done that without that tuition. And the tuition was perfect in that it worked for me because I'm very busy at home. I'm a full-time working mother as well. So home and work are a very busy place, and fitting it in was really hard. So the fact that I could have that private tuition and Charmaine came to me at my work in a place that I was comfortable, so it was far less threatening, and it was a very easy environment. There weren't other people around. I could be completely honest about what I needed without any fear of what someone else might think of that. So I think it was a great experience, and I'd do it again in a heartbeat.